Evening folks, and welcome to this latest vintage digital demonstration, which is of this AMF sports timer. Now, I've not actually called it a stopwatch because you can't actually stop it once you start it running, but I'll just show you how it works. You've got a master control on the top here, a display button and a reset button and an off switch. When you press the master control button, that starts the stopwatch and it's counting up the hundredths of a second there, and then seconds, and it'll do minutes once it gets to the minutes. And if you press the button on the top here, it hasn't actually stopped counting, it's still counting in the background. And if you press display, you can see that it's gone back to where it got to. But what you can do if you press stop, sorry, it's not stop, it's the master control button. You can note down a time, say you need to do it, and then another thing happens and you press it again and you can note down the next time. So quite good for sports timing, I would have thought. And I'll just hit the display button to show it counting up again. And it's made by this company AMF, who you probably know from the bowling alleys, but that's American Machine and Foundry. They're over 100 years old and are a manufacturing company. And they've made all sorts of things, from nuclear reactors to bowling alleys. And they had a sports equipment subdivision back in the 70s, and they made this delightful sports timer. So that's pretty much it. I'll just pause it there. You can see it's displaying the minutes there, and if you press the reset button, it goes back to 0. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Cheerio.